Sources tell CNN the U.S. is huddling with allies on what a chemical attack by Syria's Bashar al-Assad would actually look like. We have a picture from former CIA operative and CNN contributor Bob Baer here to show you. This is actually showing you what the impact of a single shell of sarin gas would be if it were launched on the western city of Homs in Syria. As you can see, the large swath of the city which would be affected by, again, a single shell. It's estimated about 18,000 people would be killed in a day. Let's get straight to CNN Pentagon correspondent Barbara Starr. And Barbara, what have you learned tonight?
Well, you know, Aaron, as tragic and serious as this is for the people of Syria, this now has regional implications, of course, throughout the Middle East. Intelligence services from Israel, Turkey, Jordan, Lebanon, all the countries surrounding Syria are now talking with the United States around the clock about this very scenario, because if there were to be, God forbid, a chemical attack, the concern is some of that could drift across borders. Worse, even as tragic as that would be, what if the regime collapses, terrorists move in, insurgent groups move in and grab some chemical material? They could take it across those borders into those neighboring countries. You then have a full-fledged crisis in the region, Aaron.
Now, there has been talk that Bashar al-Assad may try and seek asylum. What are you being told about that and the possibilities?
Well, you know, there's a lot of rumors out there. The betting money is that the three countries that you hear about the most are Russia, Venezuela, and Iran, all countries that have been his allies, although the Russians clearly are losing some of their support for Assad, given this recent crisis with the chemical weapons. So those are the countries you hear about. Now, the assessment is that Assad isn't ready to go. The U.S. says they haven't seen anything in terms of concrete asylum offers, but you know, the U.S. is happy to let it be out there as a rumor. Maybe Assad's commanders will think the boss is getting cold feet and might desert them.
Oh, all right, Barbara Starr, thank you very much. Well, out front next.